In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can log out of WhatsApp on your iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first you have to go to your WhatsApp app and it's going to bring you to this page over here on the chats. You simply have to click your profile icon on the bottom right corner that says you. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page and here you have to click this linked devices option. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page. And here you'll see the linked devices to your phone. You simply have to choose one. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page. And here you'll see this logout option on the bottom. Click this option. And then it's going to give you this pop-up. And here you have to click logout from this device. Click it. And then it's going to log you out of that device. You can do this individually for each. Just click it and then click logout. And then click logout again and it's going to log you out. And that's how you log out WhatsApp on your iPhone.